How to open a DIB account online. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you open a DIB account online. So here's the thing: to open a DIB or Dubai Islamic Bank account online, you need to first of all get the DIB or Alt mobile banking app on your device installed. So once you're done installing the DIB mobile banking app, you then need to tap onto new to DIB and let's open an account section. When you press open that up, you then need to go ahead and provide in your email and the mobile number. Choose the account type you want to, fill in additional requirement information and the documentation as well. And you just need to follow the prompt to complete your application and verification. Make sure to provide in all the information that has been asked and make sure that the information you have provided is valid enough. And that's how you're going to open a DIB bank account online. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.